Last video we talked about the FPV safety when flying. This time we are going to talk about some small safety tips that will help protect your FPV drone from damage. The first tip is using multimeter to check short circuit before powering up your drone for the first time. This is a big chance that your quadcopter will blow up when you plug in the battery for the first time, and then your flight controller or ESC will destroy it. But don't worry, those little sparks and smokes will not hurt you, but it will definitely hurt your wallet. So it is a good insurance to help you go further in this hobby. Next tip we want to talk about is the assemble tip. Never let the wires loosen anywhere, because the wires can easily be cut by the probes. You may think some wires are far from the probes and will never have the chance to be touched by them, but you are wrong. When your quadcopter crashes, somehow the wires can become unstable and move to place you thought it couldn't be. Trust me, tie down all the wires, use more ribbons and tapes. The last tip is don't mount the propeller until you finish the tuning, or don't let the propeller spin when you are tuning. The propeller can be very destructive when rotating.